This is a short introduction to for loops in Python. There are two types of loops or iterators in Python. There is a for loop and a while loop. This video is going to discuss the for loop in Python. A for loop always starts out with the word for. It has some condition and it ends with a colon, because this is a question. So as an example, for I less than 10, I want to do something. I want to print I, and then because I don't want this to run forever, I'm going to say I'm going to increment I equals I plus 1. So what have I done here? What I have done is I've asked the question, is I less than 10? If the answer to the question is yes or true, then I'm going to do what's inside the loop. If not, I'm not going to do what's inside the loop. Well, how do I know what's inside the loop? Just like with conditionals, for loops are indented. So anything inside the loop is indented immediately after the for. So we have our colon, just like in a conditional, that says, that tells Python, after this I'm expecting indented lines. So these lines are indented and they will be actioned on or execute if I is less than 10. Well, and it's just, all it's going to do is print I, and it's going to increment I. Now I have to remember to increment I, or this little script will run forever, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to run current and see what happens when I run it. And if I did this right, what will happen is, I'm getting a syntax error. For I less than 10, invalid syntax on line 3. So it should be right. Oh, my bad. I didn't define I. Nope.